airplane. Hey, what is up everybody, it's Hope Dreamer and I am on an airplane. I'm not going to be posting much this week since I'm on vacation right now. And so yeah, if you see a lack of videos, I'm so sorry. I feel bad that I'm not going to be posting as often. I was going to post a video, but then I forgot to. And for that, I apologize. But yeah, I hope you guys can just sit tight, and it's only for 2 weeks, so I'll try to post updates when I can, but mostly I'm just going to be having a lot of fun. So that being said, I'll post this when we land, but right now, airplane. We went through a cloud earlier and that was cool. So yeah, just the landscape. It's really lovely up here and I just really wanted to share that with you guys. Don't give up hope on me. I'm not. I'm still alive. At this time, you may not be. Holiday. Yeah. See how the wind flaps are now. Oh, here they come. Whoa! They really. Turbulence is a little crazy. Oh, there you go.
And if you want, I can send you. I got a really good picture of the horse. If you want to see him good, I've got a great one.
Okay, we have arrived in Denver. That was a really good flight. You were right.
You can turn it off now because I took up a new local time.